Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today tutorial I will show you how to easily extract objects from any photo using Google Gemini brand new feature powered by Nano Banana. With just a simple prompt, you can instantly separate things like clothes, products or items from your image. So let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can use either the apps or the websites and make sure you are logged in with your Google account before moving forward. And next, from this main menu, just choose create image, or you can get it to tab by tab on tools icon, this one, and then create images like this. This is Google latest AI image editing tool that lets you transform photo instantly with just prompts. Now just upload the photo that you want to work with. For example, I will use a model photo where I want to extract just the clothing. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo like this. And here's the fun part. Just type your prompt. For example, I already made one like this. Like this. You can just copy this prompt or adjust it depending on what object that you want to extract. I will copy my prompt and then copy it and then go back to Gemini and then paste it to the prompt box like this. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, you will see the extracted object appear like this. It's perfectly separated from your image, and just like this, the clothing is extracted cleanly, and it's ready to be used for product photography or even a design asset. It's super easy and super quick. And okay, that's it. That's how you can extract any objects from a photo using Google Gemini Nano Banana. Just play around with different prompts to get exactly the result that you want. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.